guys, so another weekly stream, and this time let's try something different because there's not much actually happening in the market since last week. So last week we had, let's just check the weekly candle, you see. So this week started off as a down move. Sorry, I just had really great pancakes, so yeah, it was a nice day and a nice weekend also. So hope you guys had a good weekend also, and let's just go on. I will not do the entire top-down analysis. I will just go through what we see on the daily and the 4-hour, and I will not go into much detail as, you know, the daily is a bastard candle at the moment. We are getting the bear cross on the stochastic, and the RSI is, you know, like hitting these EMAs and facing down. So all in all, you see it's sloping down. We got another lower high. So possibly if we have a daily close under 16.1 here, which is a fib level from this area. No, 16.1 is this fibs. Okay, so 16.1 is these fibs from the move down and up. So if we close under 16.1, then we will go into this 15.7, 15.8, 9-ish levels, and those levels have to hold for a possible higher low, like a last end resort. And if that end resort fails, then we get the 14K, and we have like something like this could happen, you know, like bounce, 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 retest, come down, maybe a bounce plate here, and then down to like a 10K, 12K, 10K area zone. Okay, so that's the bearish path, which is a higher probability. And then we have the possible bullish path, which is a lower probability. And then it means that we hold here, something like that, start compounding, you know, making slowly higher lows on the 4-hour. And we test these areas where I expect a rejection, and then we need to come down and test again, hold, make another higher low to break eventually, and then go up here. So I'm leaning more bearish. We'll play here this moves if it happens, and we'll look to short 17.5, 17.8. And let's go see on the 4-hour what to expect. Okay, so here we do have some moves happening, okay, but we see heavy resistance at 16.5 with EMAs and everything. So even if we go up and test now, then, you know, it's more like sell the pump to go down. So it's a really, really tight spot. Nothing's actually happening. The market is more or less boring and sideways. So preserving tether is the key. And that's more or less it, guys. The macro situation is nasty. Winter is here. So yeah, any moves up with a good rejection like we had here, okay, at 2100 last night was a short play. And yeah, any lower highs on a pump, like a pump, lower high could be shorted. Then a pump again, lower high could be shorted. Now if we get a pump and the lower high under this area, we can get shorted. If we get a pump and then a lower high in the 4-hour, we can short it again. So basically it's just sideways actions and exchanges propping the prices up and down. So yeah, we will continue on Discord, and there's not much to add. Thank you for being patient and staying on top of the markets. And yeah, that's just as much as I can add here. So thanks for even checking this out. I kept it short. I will try and update as much as possible, and hope you guys are playing it safe, preserving tether, preserving your stable coins, preserving your money, and looking to buy cheap when it happens, because eventually it will happen. And you know, holding USDT is like being in a 1x short. Remember that, guys. So thanks for joining. Like and subscribe, and let's keep in touch on the Discords. Bye, guys.